Hi, so today is time for gear video, and I would like to talk about the gear I took for my autumn hike to the West Highland Way. The whole bag's weight was 6.5 kilograms, what according to the Wikipedia article is considered ultralight, at least in Europe. I don't care much about the name, I know it's very light for me. The pack in general was quite small, although I have to add that due to hiking late in the season and of course due to COVID, I took with me more food than I would take in normal conditions. First is waterproof jacket from Montaigne. Worked well in windy conditions and on last day when it was raining constantly. Then we have a hat. Well, nothing to talk about, simple, no name. And seat pad, very useful piece of kit and only 28 grams. Then I had rain kilt, not everybody's cup of tea, but it worked for me. And the Gorilla tripod, which broke on this way and will be replaced with something else. Then I have simple first aid kit and something what I call poo kit. I use also massage ball, very useful after hard day, and some bath and bandana, multi-use piece of kit, and some pegs. And bottle. To maintain peace of mind of my close ones, I use Garmin InReach Mini for tracking purpose and emergency calls. Here's small bag with toiletries. And here everything I needed to carry and filtered water. Now we're going to bigger stuff, of which the most important is my shelter, Z-Packs Duplex, very reliable piece of kit. And now we're going to quite heavy stuff, sleeping clothes. I know it can be lighter, but well, it is what it is, as some top politicians say. So I have it top base layer, some leggings, balaclava and socks, and this keeps me warm and toasty during the night. Then we have ditty bag, and inside I have some notebook, repair kit, different kind of stuff. My cooking set is based on gear from Alpkit. And now it's time for the most heavy stuff, electronics, and that includes power bank, batteries for GoPro, cables and all this kind of stuff. For colder evenings and nights I have a jacket. And now it's time for clothes, not many of them. So I had fleece, base layer, briefs and socks. And also gloves. For sleeping I use quilt. I use it, I think it's 3rd year. I'm very pleased with that. And here's my mat, pretty standard, but I believe it has very good ratio of comfort and weight. And that would be it. That's all of my gear I took with me on West Highland Way. Detailed list you may find under the link I put in the description. The gear is not special in any way, but if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching, and till the next time.